हाय ब्रो, मैंने ना ये 4000 के ईयरबड्स लिए हैं और ये कैमरा देख कितना क्रेजी लग रहा है ना।
घर वालों से बात कर रहे हैं?
अरे नहीं नहीं, मेरे नए दोस्त से बात कर रहा हूँ, बेचारा गरीब है थोड़ा। हाय बोलो हाय।
क्या कर रहा है?
हेलो। और मैं ना 3 दिन से सिर्फ KFC का खाना खा रहा हूँ। वैसे भाई तेरा पूरा नाम क्या था?
Did this ever happen to you? A random person on the internet knows more about your secrets than your school or college friends. If you would have said that to me back in 2010, I would have called you stupid. But right now, this is what is happening. In this video, we'll see why the Gen Z trusts strangers on the internet and whether it is the right thing to do or not. Okay, let's start.
भाई आज यार दिमाग खराब हो गया, कितने सारे असाइनमेंट मिले, मेरे को समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि मैं कैसे करके कंप्लीट करूँ। ओके, एक काम कर सकते हैं, जितने भी मुझे असाइनमेंट मिले हैं उसमें से आधा तू कर सकता है। ओके बढ़िया भाई, क्रेजी यार। अच्छा तू ये देख, मार्शल का स्पीकर और ये जो है 3 लाख का है।
See, the obvious reason why we trust strangers more is because Mr. or Miss Anonymous feels much safer to tell your secrets to than someone you know in real life. There is a psychological term for this. This is called as online disinhibition effect. This simply means that people feel much confident in doing and saying things online than they would do that in their real lives. And there are a lot of reasons for this. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say she is your classmate Shreya. She is the class topper and everyone likes her. Now you, on the other hand, make a lot of mistakes and want her to help you out. So you go to her and ask for some help, but now, before asking for help from Shreya, you would have so many questions in your mind like, what if she judges me? What if she tells someone about this? And what if my classmates start to see me differently? And all of these questions stop you from asking her to help you out. Now this is another person, A as in anonymous. Creative na? I know. So this person A is a stranger from Instagram that randomly followed you and you followed him back. All you know that he likes movies, has a blue jacket and smiles with a balloon. I mean, his Insta ID. And in this case, you share him everything like what you ate for the day, how was your day, what you did at school or at college, and what are your hobbies and everything. And all of this happens and you're comfortable to share all of these things with person A is because honestly we don't know him and we don't know about his body language, so we are not even afraid of being judged by him. And let's say the conversation goes wrong at some place, we can simply stop talking to him or block him and even disappear. But we can't do that in our real lives. And this is the reason why stranger A feels much more safer to talk around than topper Shreya.
सुन, वहां से तू राइट ले, फिर नीचे
सीक्वेंस देख ले एक बार।
एक सेकंड से तू जल्दी आ जा भाई।
कौन आ
वो
रहा
उधर मेरे वो दो, अरे देखो वो आ गया।
चल मोड़ दे उसका पंजारा।
हेलो।
Now, let's look at some data. According to global surveys, Gen Z spends 7 to 9 hours per day online, which can be because of any reason, I mean work, projects, etc. And if we spend so much time on social media, automatically we'll find new people around us with whom we can share memes, discuss stories, or even chit chat just for entertainment. And this is how you start the search for online friends and not rely on people that you meet around you. And this entire online friend thing escalated a lot when a lot of new apps came, like dating apps or even apps where you can chat anonymously like Omegle. I mean, it's dead right now, but there are a lot of other similar apps. And even online gaming is also starting to build trust. I mean, I've seen stories where couples who met online through gaming are married now. I mean, wow, that's interesting. But see, the thing is that we all have normalized this. But see, 10 years back, would you even think of trusting a person whom you have never seen and just met online? But here is the thing. If we appreciate the good side of these things, then we need to understand the dark ones as well.
ब्रो तू 10 मिनट बैठ, हम लोग एक काम खत्म करके आ रहे हैं। कुछ चाहिए होगा तो बताइयो। चल आता हूँ।
10 minutes later.
हाँ वो काम तो हो गया, लेकिन एकदम भाई गया सब गया। सोफा तो छोड़ देता।
See, this is where the story turns dark. Opening up online also opens up a lot of space. Space for scammers, manipulators, and predators. And these people understand the Gen Z psychology very well, and they will find space to harm you. And this is where you can start trusting the wrong people. Okay, we are not going to talk about the happy couple that I said existed earlier, but we will talk about the dark side of this. Now let's assume that there are two people in some part of the world who met in the same way in a video game and now are planning to get married. And on the wedding day, when the lady was on the stage, the guy stole all the money, jewelries, and expensive items and ran away. Out of these million possibilities, what if this one happens? And one such traumatic incident happens and our mental health will be impacted the most. Social anxiety disorders, traumas that will exist for your entire lifetime. And whenever you try to make new relations or bonds, you might even get into severe depression. Basically, the trust that you're trying to build online, once that is broken, it can severely impact your real life as well. So, what shall we be doing then? See, the internet has given Gen Z emotional freedom, something that the previous generation did not have. But right now, this freedom needs some boundaries. And these boundaries are something that will keep everyone safe. First, we need to stop, take a small pause, verify things, and then only trust strangers. Even if your vibe matches the first time you have a conversation, you still need to take a pause and make sure that this person is not a stalker that is just wanting an access to you. So, stay safe.
आइए कट गाने कैसे कैसे
कि अभी किसी पे भी भरो। एक सेकंड। हाँ भाई, मैंने ना 9,000 के जूते खरीदे हैं, दिखाता हूँ तेरे को।